Hello everyone, welcome to Curated Cognitions. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest content. Today is day 4 of the 100 Days Ultimate Travel Guide series, and I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about solo travel, from planning your trip to staying safe and making the most of your journey. So grab your notebook and let's get started on your solo travel adventure. Step 1. Planning. The first step in any successful solo trip is thorough planning. Choose a destination that aligns with your interests, whether it's nature, history, culture, or adventure. Research the best time to visit the local customs and any potential travel restrictions. Once you've picked your destination, book your accommodations from websites like Airbnb and Booking.com and flights from Google Flights or Skyscanner early enough to get the best deals. Also, look into travel insurance. It's an essential safety net for any solo traveler. Step 2. Packing essentials. Packing smart is crucial when you're traveling solo. Remember, you will be responsible for carrying everything yourself. Pack light, but make sure you have all the essentials. Here's a quick checklist. Comfortable, versatile clothing suitable for the weather. Travel sized toiletries and a first aid kit. A power bank and universal charger. A secure day pack for daily excursions. Important documents like your passport, travel insurance, and copies of your IDs. Step 3. Navigating a new destination. When you arrive at your destination, the first thing you'll need to do is get your bearings. Start by familiarizing yourself with the local transport options, whether it's buses, trains, or even bike rentals. Use apps like Google Maps for navigation and always keep your phone charged. Don't be afraid to ask locals for directions or recommendations. They can often give you the best tips on hidden gems. Don't forget to learn a few basic phrases in the local language. Step 4. Be safe. Safety should always be a priority when you're traveling alone. Here are some essential tips to keep in mind. Tip 1. Share your itinerary with a trusted friend or family member only. Tip 2. Avoid arriving in a new city at night if possible. Tip 3. Stay aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded areas. Tip 4. Keep your valuables secure and carry a money belt if needed. Tip 5. Trust your instincts. If something doesn't feel right, remove yourself from the situation. Step 5. Making the most of your solo journey. Solo travel isn't just about seeing new places, it's about experiencing them fully. Take this time to discover yourself and enjoy your own company. Eat at the restaurant you've been eyeing, visit the museum, take that hike, and don't forget to document your journey. One of the best parts of solo travel is the people you meet along the way. Don't hesitate to strike up a conversation with the fellow travelers or locals. They might become lifelong friends. In conclusion, solo travel can be one of the most rewarding experiences of your life. It's an opportunity to explore not just the world but also yourself. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide has helped you feel more prepared and excited for your solo adventure. If yes, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more such content from Curated Cognitions. Safe travels!